TikTok up, YouTube up, LinkedIn up, Twitter, Twitch, Rumble, OF, Craigslist, MySpace, Pirates Bay. What am I missing? What else are we on? Napster.
Yeah, Napster, LimeWire.
Yep. Spotify. Amazon. What's that, David?
Oregon Trail.
Oregon Trail. We're on Oregon Trail.
For Pete's sake.
We're on Pete's sake. Pete'sSake.org.
AOL.
AOL. Not dial-up, because that's going away now. Yep. Yeah, we can't do dial-up anymore. So you hear that? Those of you that are still, you got mail. You guys are going to have to go to high speed. You guys, it's getting old. You guys are done. You're done.
Coach, I tried to show my kids the dial-up sound, and I said, "What sound is this?" And they had no idea what it was.
Yeah, they're like, "What is going on?" Kids don't know. Kids don't know.
I use it as my ringtone.
You use it as your ringtone.
So, when people look at you, they know.
Oh,
and then kids just look at you like
100%.
you're crazy.
Yeah, 100%. All the oldies in the room, we know, don't we, gang?
Yes.
Yep.
Say the boys will ask me something silly while we're out in public, and I'll look at them and I'm like, yes. In the 1900s, we did watch Cat Dog.
Cat dog. Alone in the world with a little cat dog. All right, here we go. Oh, here we go. Systems are coming up. There we go. Connecting now. Oops. Oh, call waiting's getting in the way.
Whoa, get off the phone!
Yeah, get off the phone! A little bit of static here. We're all right. We're getting closer. There it is. Nice.
You got mail.
Nice. Nice job, everybody. Nice work.
We can totally incorporate that into the marketing. If
You've got mail.
That's a really good intro, actually, now I think about it.
Yeah. Hold on. Done.
Welcome. You've got mail.
There you go. You're all set, killer. You're all set now.
Go Broadcom.
All right. Thank you all for being here. We're just getting a little silly. You'd think it's a Friday. It might as well be in our heads. The market is screaming. Yesterday, we had another glorious day here at American Dream Trading. If this is your first time being here, my name is Chad, a.k.a. The Coach. I will be your stock DJ. Right? We'll get it done here for you every day. SPY yesterday ran up a full percent, $6.77. Ran all day long after breaking our key critical area of 639.82. We had it marked out here for you. Who went long after 639.82 when I was gone? It was about, was I here? No, it was about 11 o'clock. I think I was just finishing the show. 11 o'clock on. SPY went the rest of the day, right? All day, every day. Okay. That's nice. Good job, everybody, whoever did that. Nice. Did anybody get in on that action?
I did, Coach.
Thank you. It was glorious, I'm sure. Speaking of amazing, glorious, life-changing events, here at American Dream Trading, we're running a super special $19 2-week trial. Come and check us out. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Click on the button that says Join the Community now. Click on the premium membership. It will tell you will get a 14-day trial for $19. What do I get with that $19, Coach? I'm glad you asked. You will get live Zoom access with an open microphone. Right now, there are almost 300 people in the room. This is a live open microphone. You can ask questions all day long. We are the only stock market training and trading community to ever have this. You can go live with us. You can ask questions. all day long from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You'll also get the hot stock picks, which we've already provided for premium and above memberships. You'll also get the hot stock picks, IPO center for any new and exciting IPOs, and of course, all the pre-market setup. So come over, check it out. By the way, Bruno, this is the first time you're hearing it, but we are about to run a special. We'll do it after you're ready and we get it set up. We are going to run a special over on futures as well. We're going to do a futures 2-week trial for $49, which also includes the TradingView indicators. So if you guys have ever been interested in futures, we're about to run that special. I'll let you know when that is live. 14-day trial, $49. Futures includes the TradingView indicators. Same thing, you'll get training from 8:45 until 4 o'clock with a live Zoom. So that'll be nice. Now, with the TradingView indicators, of course, you will just have to have a TradingView subscription, which is about $15 a month, and then our overlay will go on top of it. Everybody, thank you again for being here. If you guys are watching over on the TikTok, you don't stop. We get to 300 concurrent viewers. Boom! I'm going to give away $100 cash. So make sure you guys are double tapping that screen, throwing up all the little gifts. Make sure you're subscribed. Follow at least. You must be following to enter any of our giveaways. Thank you for being here. I appreciate all of you. Speaking of thanks, I want to thank all my moderators for helping me put on this amazing program that we give to you for free every single day from 9 to 11 with myself. And then again from 2 to 4 o'clock with Mark over there, big wheeling. And then at 5 o'clock with Dawn, spinning the stock DJ tunes all night, starting at 5 o'clock. So thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, and Happily Housewife. Eric's Moto, who's been MIA, by the way. Eric, don't think we haven't missed you. We have not seen you in about a week. Also David, Mark, Palmcoast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Jeffrey, Mountain Man, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and Juan. Thank you, everybody.
Futures,
and of course,
Futures is live.
Thank you. Oh, it's live now? Whoa.
$19.
$49, right?
$49.
Yep, thank you. 19. I'm like, hey, man, we got TradingView indicators in there. All right, thank you. Appreciate you. Just so you guys know, right, our normal premium membership is $125 for stocks and options. The only reason that the futures premium is more is because we give you the TradingView indicators that also go with it. And if you notice over on the stocks and options side, you have to have a VIP, which is $500. And I might evaluate some of the pricing and how we're doing that. I might have a futures for $125 with an add-on. And I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out the pricing, right? Futures is a little bit newer. I think we've been running it now for, it's been a year, I think now, hasn't it? Futures, we've been running it for about a year, I think now. I think we started about August, so it's been about a year. But anyways, so right now you guys can get that sale. But real quick, thank you to all Apple poppin'. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Same with my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Oh, that is what, oh, that was strong. Woo! Thank you. I appreciate you. Who was that? That was awesome. Thank you. That was great. Thank you so much. Super chats are going up over on YouTube. If you want to show your support for all the work that we are putting in, please throw up your super chats. We appreciate it. Also, we'll do a call out for you. Moderators, just let me know when those come up, just obviously because it's hard to monitor all the 17 systems we were on, but I appreciate that. If you guys are watching,
outside above pre-market level.
what? Does she
Was
know?
that a recording?
Does she know her mic's open? Anybody?
I don't know. I'm like, I thought that was a recording for a minute.
Yeah. Okay. Nana with a mic check. Hey, welcome. Good morning. All right. Appreciate you. All right, here we go. Let me get all the systems up. We're almost there. Apologize, we're a couple minutes late. We were having a little celebratory party for one of our members who hit a new milestone that we will that we discussed while we were off the air. Absolutely beautiful. One of our members is just killing it in the market. He has been with us for 3 years, put in all the hard work, studying diligently here, constantly putting in all the time, energy, effort, all the things. Now, one of the greatest stock market traders the world has ever seen before, and I'm not exaggerating, this is not a sales thing. One of the best traders ever inside of our room. And you know what's crazy? You guys realize that, like, I don't want to say all, but most that I know of greatest stock market traders in the world were all created at American Dream Trading. Doesn't that tell you something? Isn't that a little proof is in the pudding? Our stock market traders here are doing things this world is, I'm not exaggerating, have never done before. If you've been a part of our story, part of our journey, you know exactly the stuff I'm talking about. This is not the fictitious land of the unicorns. I am talking legitimately. People are just, right, getting it done here. So congratulations. Listen, if you have not yet, it's just not your time. Everybody's on a different path, a different journey, a different time frame. Get your minds right. Get it together. Let's rock and roll. All right, everybody. You know the rules. It's 9:33. I know we're running a little bit late today. Please stick to all the rules. Don't go crazy on me. If you want to join us, American Dream Trading. Let's rock and roll. Love your faces. All right. SPY already starting to run up here at the open. Apple, of course, popped at the open. 2-minute EWO in full effect over there. Watching SPY. See what this
Tesla,
is.
huge pop.
Tesla,
Tesla?
second 2-minute green.
Yep, Tesla running to the moon. Great call out over there. Tesla just flying, right? Good call. Good call out. SPY still here, moving to the upside. 645.31. By the way, SPY all-time highs. Highest the stock market has ever been before in stock market history. You guys are all making history together. Good job, everybody. Way to weather the storm as the American Dream Trading Lighthouse has kept it all together for you. Nice job. Apple with a slight pullback, hit 232.20. Slight pullback over there. Checking the Qs. The Qs hit new high 583.29 before it pulled back. Again, real quick, if you guys are interested in joining the premium, it's $19 2-week free 2-week trial. And futures, you guys can get that for $49. Running that special right now, 2-week trial. After those trials, they, of course, will renew at their regular rate. Premium, $125 a month. Futures, $250 a month. But you guys can join us right now. Get immediate access inside of the Zoom. Start training today. Stop putting it off. SPY pulling back here. Back down to the 9 now. Starting to pull back a little bit here. By the way, if you are a scalper, we use the 9. I'm seeing weird questions about people not using the 9 and just the 21 and all the thing. Listen, you can use whatever you want. But everybody in this room, from myself to every training moderator to every successful person, uses everything I have ever taught, talks about everything I've ever said, does everything that is in the room that is making people where they are. So don't try to do your own things and change things and add stuff and mix it all up. Proof is in the pudding. It all works. You can do whatever you want. But gang, if you see it on my screen and if the moderators talk about it, that's what they've been trained on. So we know it works. Am I right? Stop trying to reinvent the wheel. We've already created the wheel for you. Thank you.
Right now, Coach.
Use the system.
Exactly. Stop trying to like, well, I'm going to. No, stop. You're not going to do shit. You need to empty your cup, do what we're doing in here, and you'll see success as long as you stick to it, do the rules. Success not, results not guaranteed, legal, all that shit. You know what I'm saying. Thank you. Appreciate you. All right, watching SPY. Still trying to break that 645.37. Oops, hold on. Why is that not typing in? Now, obviously, right, we are in new territory, right? The stock market has never been this high before, ever. We do not have historical data going back. Therefore, on SPY, you'll use every 50 cents or $1 as resistance. We have no way of knowing. There is no historical data. Do you hear me?
Yes, coach.
So use every 50 cents to $1. If it's obviously staying above the 9, we want to do that any time frame you're in, right? If you are scalping it, if you're doing the 2-minute EWO, you will still use the exact same rules, strategies. Nothing has changed. We just can't go back and look for high levels of resistance to know when we're going to get pullbacks. This thing is screaming. Screaming, memeing. Caught that up way up tall. Should have grabbed it here off the 9. Respecting the 9 all the way on SPY, right? You can see it bounced once right here on VWAP. Respecting this channel, flying to the upside. Apple with a slight pullback now here on the 2-minute. Be careful over there on Apple, right? Big pullback. Right here, same thing. Qs hit the exact same spot, 583.32 that I called earlier and pulled back. I'm marking that level now on Qs. SPY keeps doing the same thing here. 645.50. That is now going to be our first level of resistance. 645.50. Q's pulling back to pre-market high. Or I'm sorry, NQ. Sorry. I'm looking at something different. Oh, I guess the Qs were too. The Qs pulling back to pre-market high 582.79. Apple, big pull here. SPY is just in outer space, man. SPY is long
Tesla
gone.
is holding.
Tesla holding to the upside. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, BLSH. We called that one out earlier this morning, didn't we, gang, with the new IPOs?
Yeah, the only one that looked good too is Amazon. Yeah, high day and looking amazing.
Thank you. You guys catch that? Amazon to the upside. Let's take a peek. Yep, I see it. Up 1.21%. Amazon's been having one hell of a run, hasn't it?
Totally.
I mean, it has been. Oh, that's why it's not large enough. Like, why does this keep getting stopped out? Because I have such a baby stop in that. This is respecting this 21. I like that. Give this some room. Let it go. See if we get another pop over here. Over here. Still brawling over here. Waiting for this to launch. There we go. There we go. Getting that nice move. Bye-bye. SPY again. Still respecting this 9 on the 1 minute here. You guys see how perfectly that's stair-stepping on this? That's good stuff.
AMD new high.
Thank you. Taking a peek. Yep, AMD 5.5%. That also means to look at Soxol. If you hear AMD, NVIDIA, Intel, right? Soxol, 3.75% for my small to mid size accounts. You see that one?
Yes, sir, and it's going up the cog.
Yep, looking good. Looking real nice.
$29. Wow. From 7.
I know, right? Isn't that beautiful?
Woo!
I think
Yes.
Tesla is trying for you.
Yes. Thank you. That's beautiful. Spy, remember 645.50. Isn't that what we had for resistance, everybody in the room? That's a yes. Good job. Good job. I'm glad you guys are listening and paying attention. You see how it is not broke 645.50 yet? Are we all on the same page? Okay, good. Good job.
Tesla is about to get a new high day. Look at that.
Thank you. NASDAQ, huge pullback here. Q's, same thing. Q's dumpster dive. Kept trying to hit that new high over there. Major pullback. Tesla still staying up tall. Let's see if this can get this bounce. There we go. There we go. Respecting the 55 off of this one. Okay. Protect the trade. Gosh, this thing is everywhere. Come on, get to going. You're going that way. We're going up here. Go that way. Spy still chugging along off the 9. Has to break 645. Has to break 645.50, ladies and gentlemen. That's what you're looking for a break and hold of, yes? Okay, great. Don't try to be a hero. Tesla, new high a day. 347.50. Remember, I told you when Tesla gets to that 350, the gates will open and you will just hear trumpets and horns. Am I right? Yes, Coach, you're right. Okay,
That's
good.
right, Coach.
Thank you. Here we go. Spy looking for a break and hold at 645.50. Tesla 348.40 continuing to make new highs. Apple still in that dangerous spot. Can't make up its mind.
Hey, Coach, I just looked back at my timestamps, and you know how you always say, oh, you'd be done in 9 minutes?
Yes.
I did my first trade, and I was out in just over 8 minutes. $2,700 already for the morning. And
That's awesome.
if we stay in this little choppy channel,
Yeah.
I'm going to just wait until it breaks again. But
That's awesome. Yeah, and it's so true. I mean, because you get all that volatility in that first 10 minutes of the market. You know what I mean? That's why I would say in 9 minutes we could be done. You just, right, obviously we can go in a little bit heavier in those 9 minutes, but gang, you do not have to sit in front of the stock market 24 hours a day, right? We're talking 10 minutes. Obviously, you want to get set up. You want to get prepped, right? What's coming? Is there any news events? Is there anything that could cause volatility? What's coming up? All the things. But I'm telling you, you don't need to sit here all day, right? I mean, look at David's at $2,400. It's 15 minutes. He could be done for the day, right? So you don't need to sit in front of that computer all day long. Get in, get green, get out, lock it in. Love your faces. Great job, David. Appreciate you.
when I tell people all the time that one of my biggest bad habits that I've had since day one is overtrading. And so my way of preventing overtrading is little tasks around the house, doing the one-on-ones for other members, because it keeps me preoccupied.
That's right. You're right, because I've done that so many times. I'll get bored and I'm like, oh, this looks like a good spot. But when you're a scalper, everything's a good spot. Right? It doesn't.
Yeah.
I mean, you can go, oh, it's in between this spot. I can
And that's my problem. I
Yeah.
come back into the market later on when I'm bored,
Yeah.
and I'm like, man, let me practice my coach and palm scalping real quick, and then I
Right.
get my ass handed to me, and I'm like,
Right.
shit.
You're like, oh, damn it. It's because everything when you're scalping looks like a spot. You could like, oh, this candle looks good. Right?
Yeah, and my rules are out the door. It's like,
Yeah.
let me get in this green candle real quick.
Yep. Trust me. That's my, I would say out of everything, that's my also, there goes your spy. My largest, if I was going to say right where I fail as a trader, it would be over trading for sure. 100%. Oh, I'm bored. It's 2 o'clock. I'll just get on for 20 minutes and damn it, gave it all back. What the?
You walk by the laptop. Oh, look at that! I left it open. Let me check it out real quick.
Yeah, you're like, oh, SPY looks like it's breaking a spot. I'm gonna jump in that, and then because you didn't review, you didn't look back, and you're like, oh my gosh, I just got in. That was the worst time ever. She's not really, because you're not focused. You weren't looking at it. You didn't go back to historical data. You're like, but it's running, and then you look back and go, oh my gosh, that was the largest level of
And then
resistance.
you think you've got the Midas touch, right? Because you made money in the morning. Oh, anything I touch today is gonna go to gold. And then next thing you know, it's like the leftover copper when they make pennies thrown on the floor. It's like, oh shit.
Right. Yeah, like two. Yeah. DJ says my audio is messed up right now. Can you guys confirm over on TikTok if my audio is bad? Is it picking up?
He's talking about Eric Davis' audio coming through.
Oh, is it not picking up cleanly?
It's not that bad.
It's the echo.
Sounds good.
Oh, it's the echo. Here, try it now. How is it now? I'm turning down my speaker system. See if there's an echo now. David, can you talk?
Yes, sir. Can y'all hear me?
See if did that reduce the echo and or eliminate it?
Much better.
Better? Okay.
Hey, Coach, MNTS from this morning is looking beautiful still.
Oh, good call out. MNTS, I see it.
IWM strong break to the upside, broke pre-market high.
Thank you. This is Hot Stock Pick MNTS. Check it out. 95%. I'm going to assume that's a Hot Stock Pick. Yes, because we talked about it.
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay, I see it. Perfect. Great job, Bruno, getting those Hot Stock picks. Look at that beauty. Who's in SPY, by the way, of the break of 6:45:53? Tell me now.
Me.
Thank you.
I am Coach.
Thank you.
Yep. Yesterday, Coach.
Thank you. Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bok, bok. Good job.
Said let it run all day. I let it run all day and all night.
Did you really?
Yeah, I got a October 29th.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Okay. What is my rule though?
90 days.
Thank you. That was 2 months, wasn't it? 60 days?
It's like
Come on now, but hey, good
it's
job.
like 75. It's like 75.
Okay, I got you. Great
I just
job
pushed it
though.
out
Yeah.
past the
Good job.
the next Fed meeting.
Yeah. Good job. Good job. Nice work. Look at this. Cranking to the moon.
Coin moving up nicely, up 6.3%.
Yes. Good job. Futures are over there getting it done. Mark with the updates. He said they're also crushing it. Who is still in this SPY on the break and hold of 645.50? Tell me now. That was the mark. That was the A+ setup today.
I'm in there.
Thank you.
I'm in there.
You guys are shedding as it goes, right?
I just shed.
Thank you. Remember, make sure you guys shed yourselves.
I almost shed myself
Yeah.
twice, but I only did once.
Thank you. Make sure you guys are shedding yourself. You guys can pick up your adult diapers at the merch store for shedding yourselves. Nice job.
By the way, Bitcoin is flying.
Thank you. If there was only place that you could have gone that over a year ago, actually it was July of 2024 that I told all of you, did I or did I not, that Bitcoin was going to go to the effing moon in 2025. I even told you it was going to get to 100,000 by January, and that happened, right? 7 months before it happened. And I told you it was going to rip in 2025. Did I not?
You did, and the best thing I ever did was 2020. The one great thing I did in trading was buy Bitcoin when I was at $15,000.
There you go. And
Yeah.
now we're at
Me
120,
too,
almost
My projection is
122,000.
I've got 150 by the end of this year.
Good job. Good a job. Yeah, you guys are loving life now, listening to the old man. He might not be pretty, but holy shit, does he know how to get that cash money dollar for the members. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That you know for sure.
Getting it
IWM
done.
at resistance 229.30.
Thank you. Is that IWM?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. Now, everybody remember, if you're trading the Qs, we want to watch for that 583.30. Okay, that's where it showed us a major level of resistance. Now, what did I say about SPY? You want to watch that every 50 cents to $1. So if we told you 645.50 was a key major area, so 646, 646.50, right? I want you to start watching every 50 cents because we do not have any information. And as it goes, it is giving us data. You can now see, as long as it stays above 646, this is channeling here. You see how this is showing us information as it goes. It is creating historical data now for us, right? Okay, good. That's nice.
Yeah, literally, no. It's creating new data each little candle.
That's
like
right.
I'm marking lines as it goes.
Does everybody
it hit
see
a spot
it?
here at 646.21 and pulled back.
That's right. Does everybody see this? So we will use the data as it gives it to us. Apple, be careful. You guys are coming up on a double top at 232.20. Just be careful up there. You're flying the friendly skies. Please be careful right in that area. SPY again, as long as we can stay above, now stay above the 9, but you can see it's just consolidating. This is normal. We want to just make sure we're staying up here. Okay, if you get a break of that, collect. If it pops, add, right? If and only if you're a scalper. If you're not a scalper, don't do any of that, right? I don't want you guys trying to learn on SPY, which is one of the hardest stocks in the business. You guys should be looking at the little stuff. Look at Ford, look at TSLL, look at, right, Apple. Look at the slow moving runners. Don't be SPY will crush your soul and have you a puddle of goo fast. Now, right there, didn't I say as long as it stayed above 646? Do you see that? Look at that, right? Was everybody listening? Did everybody have their stops? Did everybody shed as it went up? Did everybody do exactly what you're supposed to?
That's why I shed at 646.
There you go. Everybody's listening to the sound of my voice. Yes?
Now it's bouncing off VWAP here on the 1 minute.
Yep. And we had a previous level of 645.50. Yes?
Yep, got it all. Yep.
Okay. I hope we're all on the same page, and I know it's quiet because people are trading, but I hope you're listening. Thank you. Appreciate all of you. It's already 9:56. Where the heck is this time going?
If we lose VWAP here, Coach, are we going back down to 644.50?
Well, we've got a major area at 645. It looks like around 645.20.
Okay, all right.
If you look at it from earlier, everybody, you see how it was. This was resistance, then it became a bottom support level, and then it channeled between 645.50, 645.20. You guys all see that?
Yeah, that was the 645.21. I told you I marked as it was going up.
Right? Does everybody see that channel?
Yes.
And then 645. So right there on my screen, let me pull it up on the big screen. Right there is what you should all have marked. Every exact key area. Your screen should look exactly like this.
That's
Good
literally
job.
exactly what my screen looks like, Coach.
Yep. Good job.
Google
Thank
looking
you.
good to the downside, there.
Thank you. Don't forget those super chats are available over on the YouTubes. If we get to 300 concurrent viewers today, we're going to give away $100 cash. Thank you. Everyone's talking about XRP. Listen, when Bitcoin is running, all altcoins are running. Always. And guess what? When the stock market is running, Bitcoin runs means all altcoins run. Am I right? I've been saying it every day
You know
since
what's funny about
crypto
that,
was
Coach? They always
crypto.
say, no, Bitcoin's its own thing. I'm like, no,
It is
it
not.
goes with the market.
It is not decentralized at all, not in any way, shape, and or form yet. Not at all. Never. It never has been yet. At all. And I mean ever. So once it does, that's when Bitcoin turns into 1 million, right?
It's going to get there. It's just going to be next bull cycle or 2 bull cycles from now.
Yeah, we don't know. I mean, right now it's in a great place. It's in an excellent place. I love it in the 6 figures.
Yep.
So,
like I said, I got a 150 target on it. Hopefully it gets close to it.
yeah. And if you guys remember, right, my holdings are Bitcoin and Ethereum. I mean, that's where the magic happens for me. Do I dabble in the altcoins? Sure.
Shift change in 30 seconds.
Thank you. By the way, I'm going to start working some of the crypto because I'm going to build that platform up next, right? I got stocks and options. I got futures heading to where it needs to go. I'm going to start promoting crypto soon. So get ready. You know what's funny? Have you guys been watching Fart Coin, which is what I've been talking about for so long? Look at that beast. That thing's going nutto.
Fart coin up 30% today.
Is that funny or what? Remember we started talking about that about 6 months ago, right?
Of course you would zero in on that. Something called fucking fart coin. Okay? Excuse my French, y'all. I already put the money in the tip jar.
Yeah. Shift change, 10 o'clock.
Go tip yourself.
I already did.
Nice job. And you know what's funny about that? That's what the beauty of crypto is. People just like catchy names, right? You can catch
Bruno
a runner.
Bucko made one about, didn't you do a Dawn coin or something?
Yeah, I mean,
Bucko?
if it's got a catchy name, right? If it's got a catchy name, people love it and they'll run with it. Santa Claus coin, moon coin, right? It's going to the moon.
I like moon coin.
Yeah, they had it. The safe moon. They everything's out there. So I will start promoting cryptos. So be ready. Look at this pullback. Wow. Couldn't hold 645.50. Next level down 645.20 to 645. Now look at Apple. Didn't I forewarn you of that double top area? Yes. Is this thing on?
Yes, sir. And I was warning them in the Apple chat that we didn't have enough volume to maintain breaking a double top.
Right. I mean, look at it. Look at my screen, right? I said, be careful right here. Good job. Nice work, everybody. You guys are getting it done. I love seeing it. Oh, man. SPY just crashing out over here. That's nice.
It's holding at 645.20 though.
Yep, I see it. NASDAQ is sitting right. Oh no, it's got room. Let me look at this. Hold on. Let me chart this out before I go jumping, going crazy on this right here. Oh man, yes. This can't hold here. Marking this. I'm gonna watch for a bloodbath right there. Oh, Billy. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Uh-oh, there's creepy, coach.
Yes.
That's getting weird, coach.
Yes. You want to see something really scary?
No! Stop it.
I know what you did last summer. Apple, double top pullback. That is a cup and handle. You see it on Apple? Cup and handle right there. Nice. On the 2-minute. Talk to me. Charlie says, thoughts on bullish? Charlie, we've been in a bullish market for over a year straight. Minus April for 6 weeks. 8 weeks. Whatever it was. Minus the 18% correction in the market that the news wouldn't stop talking about until we had the world's, the stock market's largest rally it's ever had in history. Ever. Yeah.
He's talking about the new IPO that's coming out today.
Oh, I got you. Come on, go, 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 right here. I got a huge channel from here to here. I'm going to have to run this. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, light my fire. Oh, come on, get down there. Oh, we got plenty of room here. Plenty of room for you. Yes. Keep coming. Come on. Oh my gosh. This is a major level of support coming up on this. SPY needs to hold that 645, by the way. SPY needs to hold that 645 if it wants any chance of staying green without doing our clock we talk about, right? From 12 to 6, high to low. SPY can't hold 645. We'll be looking at new low a day. Do you hear the sound of my voice? Not financial, tax, or investment advice, just a strategy I'm looking at. Legal. Thank you. Watch for the clock pattern. 12 to 6, 6 to 12. Round and round we go. Right, Fokker? You guys remember that? Meet the Fokkers?
I got my 2 fingers up.
Yes.
My eyes, your eyes.
Yes.
Watching you.
Yes. Thank you. What a bounce off this spot. Come on, get back down in there. Sit back down in that pocket. This is the stop right here off. What is this? The 200. Oh, man. It hit my, look it on my screen. Look at that red level that I had. You guys see that? Bounced off that critical level. You see my screen right here that I marked?
Yep.
Oof.
Wow.
Because look how much traffic it had right there. See it all? Tons. Look at all
this.
this.
It's a chop zone
and
right
this,
there.
and this. Yep. Massive. So what's coach do? Shorts it down there. Smack you in the face.
AMD new high of the day.
Thank you. Good call out. AMD. Yes. Love it up there. Broke through that 184.80. 184.80, which was a previous level of resistance, needs to stay up there. I got wicked out on this damn NQ up here. Literally just this tick up here. You sucker. Look at that. Looking real nice. How we doing, everybody? Everybody okay? Everybody doing all right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, we will post both the $19 premium and the $49 futures discount code in all the lounges here in just a little bit when we get a chance. Not that bot thing that nobody looks at. We will manually hand post it with the everyone tag soon. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink, moderators. Thank you.
Doing it right now, Coach.
Thank you. And you can tag everyone on that. That's global.
Copy that.
Oh, come on. Get this. Look at this thing. Glorious. So SPY again, we're looking, if it were me, I'm looking for a break and hold below 645. Still though, right? This could just bounce and make new highs today. We don't know where this is going to go. We have no idea. This is uncharted territory. So don't think it's going to crash and burn and never try to guess top and never try to guess bottom. Don't ever do that. Just trade whatever it gives us. Don't have a bias. Don't in your head go, this is going to drop and just keep going, right? And the other half of the camp is like, well, it's going to make new highs and it's going to go to the moon. Don't do any of that. Check your bias at the door. Let's trade whatever it shows us, right? There's a major difference. Trade what it shows us.
Take a look at the double top on IWM for me.
Yep, I'm on it.
IWM.
I got you, partner. Yep, I see it. Yeah, it's a perfect double top. I mean, perfect, flawless double top, right? Yep, yep. I had a key level marked at 229.33. Do you see it? Isn't that funny? I flipped over to IWM, which I never look at ever, and look at where my level is. Can you guys see where I had previous level? I didn't put that there. Can you see it?
Yep.
And it hit 229.27 before it pulled back. Tell me those areas don't matter.
Oh, they for sure matter.
100%.
Can't trade without them.
Yes. It's funny. I'm watching everybody overcomplicate the shit on this, right? I'm always trying to see what our competitors, they are so, oh my gosh. Liquidity sweeps and heat maps and all this other horse shit. What kind of bullshit is everybody out there buying? What is this? We're over here with the L2, support and resistance, old school, right? Making more millionaires than the world has ever seen before.
Hoorah, Coach. That sounds like a good time to me.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying, though? I'm watching our competitors like, what in the frick? And they're doing orb with the Fibonacci and heat maps and MACD and RSI and out. And I'm like, oh my God. No wonder you guys are sitting there making $20 a year. Nobody's doing shit. Right here. SPY. That's my level. We're here again.
All done, Coach.
Thank you. Appreciate you. I'm getting in this one because this has some room. I don't even care if this bounces up here. This is such a beautiful spot. Let's go. You gonna go nunites. You are beautiful down here. SPY, you're waiting for the break and hold of what?
645.
Thank you. Thank you. That is everything. That is going to just go freaking nunites. Oh my gosh. You're either going to get massive volume here of buyers to push this up, or this is going to crash hard. Do you hear the sound of my voice? Have your stops in place either way. When in doubt, straddle it out. You could buy call options to the upside, and you could buy put options to the downside. Let one side or the other break through, kill it off, let the runner run. Critical level is now. Make sure if you guys are doing options, you grab that gamma candle, meaning if you see it go, sell it, some of it at least, right? Get a hold of that thing. When you get a gamma candle like that, you'll get paid the highest amount of premium when it does it. Don't wait for it to stall out. At least collect some of it.
Apple broke out new high day.
Thank you. I'm on it. Yep, still in that critical area though. But yes, that is a full-blown cup and handle on the 2-minute on Apple. Didn't you guys hear me say that? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
And a cup and handle is what? Bullish or bearish?
Bullish.
Thank you. Good job right here. Come on, Spy. Bye-bye. Come on, get on there. We still don't have a break and hold. We do not have a candle confirmation to the downside yet.
And here's the thing that is interesting. Apple is going up and NVIDIA is down.
That's right. All the Qs are crashing too. So all tech stocks are crashing and burning out. Don't forget though, Apple has a new release next month, right? So remember, so they'll lead up to it before it'll start to stall out. And then you'll hear everybody say it's baked in. That's because it runs up until the event, right? Buy the rumor, sell the news, meaning buy up until the news event and then everybody sells off. Make sense? Okay, great.
It is hanging on for this 646 for dear life.
It really is.
645.
640. It really is. And it looks like mine got a bounce. I wasn't paying attention to mine over here. Yeah, mine got a huge bounce too. Told you. 645 is everything, right? Massive deal. Now, everybody was being patient, right? There's no break and hold there, was there? I know I didn't get patient because I like it.
None.
I had zero patience. Coach is like, I'm just patient out.
It wants to break it so bad, but it is holding on for dear life.
It is, and it's tapping the 9, and there's our 645.20, right?
But
and
we're
it just
under VWAP, so that's good.
so everybody knows our channel, 645.20 to 645. Why? Because we talked about it earlier, right? Good job. This thing is so heavy right here. I told you, you're either going to get a spike in volume to push this thing, or we go nunites. And if you look to the left, look at the size of the green candle at the open. Do you see it? This is why I told you if it can't hold here, we go nunites. It's going to go.
Second 2-minute WO on the SPY to the downside.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Good call.
But it is very, very weak in a tough spot, so be careful on that one.
Yeah, just listen to the sound of my voice. All the instructions have been given. You should know exactly what to do. Yes? Thank you.
Yes, we got a weight of break and hold right now.
Absolutely. Good job. Looks like one of my members has just posted up $78,693.70. Good job. How would you guys like to make $78,000 this morning? And it's the market's been open for 45 minutes. Anybody in the room?
I'll take that for an annual. What
Yep.
are you talking about?
Heck yeah.
Yep.
Take 7,000.
I don't want to pay taxes on that, Coach.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Oh.
Yep, not
What are you
doing it.
talking about? It's
Pick-
no,
pick-
no,
Yep,
nobody
not
does
doing it.
that.
Taxes
No,
are too
no.
high. Good job.
He's
Nice.
joking, yo.
Yeah,
Come
it's a
on.
joke. Everybody be cool. We're in the same room, remember? That's not the outside world saying it. Nice job. Good job. Futures members are getting paid over there. Same with stocks and options. Crypto, you should be following the same. Good job. Everybody here at American Dream Trading is just absolutely crushing it. It's 10:18. Has anybody made any money yet? Open the microphones. Let the world know. They want to know you are a
Yes.
live body.
I
in here.
have.
Sure did, sir.
Sure did, sir.
Up 2.5%.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes. Good job. Still waiting. Still waiting for the break and hold of what?
6:45.
There you go.
I don't like how long it's sitting here, Coach. The more it sits here, the more it's gonna pop.
That's correct. And why is that? What do I say
It's
every
found
day?
support. The sellers are. It found support here. And
Right. Let me help you out. What do I
buyers
say
are,
every day, everybody? The longer it consolidates, the more you're going to have a pop or drop, right? Everybody in the room?
Correct.
Yes,
Yep.
Coach.
yes. Yes,
Good job.
Yes, Coach. Yep.
Nice
Just in
job.
my experience, I noticed, Coach, when it goes sideways like this and it's trying to go down, it usually pops up if it doesn't break that level.
Well, that's, yeah, like, again, yeah, buyers
Yeah.
could come in, drive the volume. It could be a fake spike, right? But overall, right now, downside. Apple getting ready to break out of that. Yep, there it goes. Apple now clear skies. See ya, Apple. Bye-bye. Good job. So Apple, you guys want to stay above. Obviously, this 232 area, marking it now. Right there. Critical area, 232. Good job. As long as you guys are above 32, if you touch your mouse, I'm driving to your house, I'm monster trucking over it, and then I'm eating all your steaks in your grill, drinking your cold beer, and I will make you sit in the grass, not with a lawn chair, and I will force you to watch me eat it. Do you understand?
Monster truck?
Do you understand?
Oh, that's funny.
That's it.
Coach, that's a good
That's what you got.
Tell me, David.
a good testament to how close I follow your rules. I think it was like 30 to 45 seconds before you said that. I said a retest of 232 and that 9 EMA will help support. And so, and then you say we need to stay above that, like within 30 seconds.
Oh, I love it. I love it. David here, one of the best stock market traders in the world, giving you advice, right? And tips and tricks and strategies every day over in the VIP Gold area. One of our amazing training moderators, now up over $750,000. Good job. There goes Spy 645. Come on, baby. Bye-bye. Come on. 20 seconds. Oh, come on. Give us another candle under this one, and it's lights out. 15 seconds. Get down there and stay down there. We want to break with a confirmation and hammer you right in the face. 5 seconds. Get down there. 3, 2, 1. Give us another candle below it. I'm already in the trade, or I would tell you when I get in the trade, but I've been in the trade, just sitting in there. Still have been waiting for that break and hold. It's just flat. It just keeps staying there, right? Like, it's like, oh, I'm going to try. And then it does it. Oh, I'll try again. It does it. Oh, yeah.
Sorry, Bruno.
It's trying. Look at Apple fighting back. Want to stay above that 232. Make sure, Apple 2-minute EWO gang, you guys are shedding 50, 20, 20, 10.
It's like a game of tug of war between the Bears and the Bulls here.
Yep, absolutely. Yep. Still doing its thing. David, how much are you locked in so far, partner?
I have 2 runners open, but I have already locked in about 3,400.
$3,400 in
2
a single
trades
day.
going with the EWO. I got out of my first EWO because we held below the VWAP. I got back in when we re-entered above VWAP, continuation of a 2-minute EWO. And this trade, like I said, this one's sitting at about 18% on runners right now. I think we saw like 23, 24%, but still, you're collecting money and you can hold on to runners a lot easier when you've lightened your load.
That's right. Good job. Beautiful work. All right, here we go. SPY. This is it. There it is. Boom. I'd be in it if I wasn't yet. Not financial tax or investment advice. That's my move on a market. Yep. What did I say? Huh? What did I
Let's
say?
go.
Look at that. It's damn 200 down there. Did I tell you it'd be a bleeder candle? Didn't I tell you exactly when I said I would have got in it? Didn't I tell you exactly what it would do?
You are a genius.
I am entertained.
What's up, Palm? Good to have you in here, buddy.
Oh, baby.
Thank you.
That is support. That is support-ish.
Look
right?
at that.
Support-ish.
Look at that. Come on. Media team, if you don't have the most amazing video I've ever seen in my life, if there is not 17 million people lined up at our door trying to break down the doors of American Dream Trading to be a member here, there is nothing more I can do for you.
Let's go. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah. Look at this. Come on.
Coach, I sat in that with you. I entered when you entered. I sat through that whole mess. It's
Good.
worth it. Paid off though.
Good job. Good.
Just shed right there on that bounce. I had 2. I shed 1.
Good job. Was that amazing? Did it or did it not?
That was beautiful.
Did it or did it not do exactly what I said, exactly when I said, and do it? Why? The whole thing. You got a bleeder. I told you the second it broke, it was going to go right. It was going to get annihilated. Look at that candle. You want to know why American Dream Trading is known throughout the country? You want to know why we are the best at what we do in this industry? You want to know why we've created more millionaires? Why our members are more successful? Star. Just known by what they're telling me, not going into brokerage statements legal. You want to know why? Support right here, by the way. Support right here. Taking my money.
Yeah, that's a 200 on the 2-minute. I did the same thing.
Now, do we get a 50% retracement on that?
Yeah. Yes. We'll watch and I'm going to look for a bounce up to 644.60. If it can't hold, I'll hammer it again here. But I take my money on major levels. If you guys look at the pre-market, major level was 644.28 on SPY. Do you see it? That's why I took it there. Does everybody see it on my screen?
Yeah, you have a 200 on the 2 minutes there too.
Yep, which I don't
Yep.
know because I'm not even looking at it, but thank you.
Yep.
There's your 50% retracement.
Hold on.
Fuck it, I'm out. That's it.
Yep, me too. I sold the push.
And I'm out as well. Let's go. That was a good trade.
You're simply the best.
I have that soundbite queued up.
Nice.
Look
You
at that
guys hear
rebound
that?
too. Look at
Oh,
that. They
somebody
touch
just got a
it and rebound
$49
it.
future membership. Thank you. Congratulations. Oh, nice. Here, you want to throw that in the fridge? Thank you. Watch the water. Love you. Kisses. Love you. Yes, please. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Love you, baby.
Love you. Look real nice. Bang, bang. That's
You
nice.
beat me to it.
No,
That's
you guys
nice.
are cute.
That's nice. Did you guys see that 50% retracement? Huh? Look at that.
I was too busy listening to your wife.
Look at that. Tell me that isn't amazing, right? Didn't we call it on every single thing? And that's amazing. Bye. Look at this. Oh, break and hold again. You gonna break and hold again? I will hammer you again. Don't think I won't.
I flip back into puts on that.
Yeah, I'm
price
looking for it
the
right
upside.
now. Yeah, I'm literally right here. Yeah, if this can hold. If this gives me below 644.16 now, which is what it gave me, I'll short it again.
I always take those two trades back to back, the reversion and then a flip back for the retest.
Yeah, no, that's smart. Yeah, it always
And after
tries
that,
to do that.
I
Yep.
sit and wait.
Yep. Love it. Love it. Love it.
BSLK hot stock pick up 120%.
Oh my.
New high.
Oh my gosh. We're just getting it done everywhere in the freaking room. It doesn't matter. Everything in here. Am I right? Futures, by the way, are just crushing it too over there. I don't care. Again, stocks, options, futures, and crypto. Nobody does it like American Dream Trading. Am I right? Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, baby.
I'm riding these puts all the way to hell.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
It's the $4 mark, so I took profit right there on the even dollar mark.
I just tried to as well right there on the stall, but I think I lost $15. Damn it.
Oh.
But I did the exact same thing till it stalled, but by the time I sold it, it went boing right back up.
Yeah. I'm not even bashful about selling the gamma. I'm out on the push.
Oh, hell yeah. That's what I was telling him earlier, man. Yes, take the gamma. That's the best part of it. That's the best part on the meat, right?
Yeah. That's free money.
Yes. Because once it stalls, it loses all of that high premium.
Yeah, it balances out, and then you 8, 10, 12% back right away.
Yep, it takes it right back. Just, oh, okay. You're like, oh,
Yep.
wait a minute. That's what I said, man. Take the gamma candle. When you guys see that big push in the options, when it goes, take it, right?
Yep.
Because if it stalls out, it could take 6 more minutes of just slowly grinding to that downside when you just got it in a big candle push.
Let's see if we can get trapped here. That was also a pre-market support area, so it was kind of a double. It was even dollar, and it was a pre-market support area.
Oh, yep. Yeah, and previous day close. Let me shoot. I got the wrong chart up.
A little bit lower, but yeah.
Yeah. Let me pull it just so I have it.
Previous day close resistance is 642.77.
Yep, I got you. Yeah, pre-market low is 643.53.
Yep. So I'm looking for all those retest points now.
Yep, absolutely. All right, moderators. Now, everybody in the room, who got on the 8, this is the second A+ setup of the day, below 645 to short?
Got it.
Thank you.
Got it.
Thank you. Anybody else?
Got it.
Thank you.
Hell yeah.
Thank you. By the way, Palm, we're still $1 away from this getting from green to red. So we've still got $1.23 before this does the clock from 12 to 6, right?
Yep. The one thing that I noticed too is when that's being pushed into new high territory, you can get these nice bleed outs.
Oh,
But
yes.
at some point, you just run out of lack of sellers because there's no bag holders.
Correct.
To knock it around.
Correct. Yeah, and I wouldn't be surprised if by the end of today we're not new highs again, right?
Or it works its way at least 50% back up.
Yep.
You know.
Yep.
Easy peasy.
Yep.
It'll be easier to drive it up once you shake the fleas off the dog.
That's right. Let me get this hard stop in here. I'm going to have to start putting these stops in here only because these candles are going to start getting really wonky now. Good job, everybody. Who's making money now? Tell me. Come on.
I am Coach.
7% of my account.
Whoa, wait a minute. How much?
7%.
Oh my gosh. Good job.
Nice.
Jeez, oh Pete's. In case you guys didn't know, right? The average on the S&P 500 for 12 months is 8%. 8 to 10. So congratulations on making a year's worth of S&P 500 standard stock market profit in an hour. Good job. Nice work, everybody. Nice. Don't forget, right now, super sale premium for stocks and options, $19 2-week trial. After that, we'll renew at $125. If you're interested in futures right now with our trading view indicators, we've never done this before, $49 2-week trial. $49 2-week trial. After the 2 weeks, that will renew at its regular rate, which is $250 a month. But you also get the trading view indicators with that. It just requires the trading view subscription. SPY showed us it wants support at 643.87. So that is support on SPY, 643.87. Everybody see it? Which you can also see was off this pre-market. Oh my gosh. Palm. Oh my. Palm, do you see what happens if this breaks 643.87?
I do.
Oh my gosh. It's like the largest gap I've ever seen in my life to the downside is 642.89.
Sellers are getting exhausted already, though.
Yeah, but oh my gosh, look at this channel. You guys, look at this thing. Oh, there it goes. Never mind. You don't need to look. It's happening.
Yeah.
Oh my
We're not
gosh.
having a hard time holding it here.
Oh my. This is the next major level of support. Do you hear the sound of my voice now, everybody?
Yes, Coach.
Won't let me put in that trailing stop? Why? That is weird. Why are you not letting me put you in? All right, I'm going to have to hard stop this again. Here. Oh my gosh. Major level of support, 643.87, which is technically 644, but we're just going by what it's showing us. That is a major level of support. Because if that cannot hold, I want you guys to look at the gap below it. This is why. Let me show you. Anybody see any of this space?
Yeah, it's the gap from the pre-market this morning.
That thing?
Yeah.
Oh my. Look
Yeah,
at
that's
that.
huge.
It is massive. So same thing. Here's your next A+ setup. Right here. Gang.
On top. On top of that, we're like 50% retracement from the pre-market right there.
Yeah, and you're $1.51 away
Yeah.
from previous day close, which is 239.
And right now we're sitting at that 50%. We could be either way.
Let me look. Previous day close is 642.69, which is, look, that's right here. I had 89, but it's 69 is technically where previous day closes. You see it?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. There goes Apple. All right. Here we go. Now listen to me, everybody in the room. And then I want to know whose house I'm coming to. Apple 2-minute EWO riders. If you are in a long position, when and only when do you get all the way out?
VWAP.
Well,
That is correct. Did it ever break and hold below VWAP?
no.
So everybody that is doing the 2-minute EWO on Apple should still be in it?
Yes. The answer is yes.
By the way, can everybody hear the crickets? Do you want to know what that means?
They're making money.
Chicken shits, they all got out.
I'm still in.
Oh, thank God. I was going to say everybody in the room would be screaming, crying, getting American Dream Trading tattoos, right? They'd be holding their kids up over the cliff like, oh, don't hold your kids up over the cliff. I'm just talking about the Lion King. They're holding their children up. They're like, oh, this is the greatest day that's ever happened, right? All the things. Who's running around right now screaming American Dream Trading while your neighbors are trying to call the police?
Holding my baby screaming over here.
Yeah, yes, thank you.
Just knock that sucker right out of his hand.
Yep, nice job. Oh, oh my gosh! All right, I got to flip the script. Sorry.
That was on the 2-minute. That was the 9, and it was also the 200. So I picked up puts off of that.
Oh my gosh! And if you guys look at our channel, 644.28. Wasn't that the channel we had, gang, for the ceiling right there on resistance? Yes.
See.
Oh my.
Triple resistance right there.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
While you're holding him up and he's screaming.
Yeah, right. Mojo, thank you, Mojo. Mojo over on YouTube. You could be right. Mojo says, Coach needs to be in David's Apple chat for a day. Let's see if David can get him green. You know what? You could be right. You could absolutely be right. I do need to get over on that VIP Gold live Apple chat where they are doing this live. Look at this. Look at Apple. New high of day.
Well, we can beat the dead the runners at 47%.
Oh my gosh. David, how much you got locked in so far? Where you at?
Locked in so far about 36 something, 3,600, a little over, and I still got two runners with open P&L about $300.
So 3,600 with another 300 possible. That's almost $4,000 in an hour and 11 minutes. That is impressive. Congratulations. You guys.
Two trade. The first trade was a little bit larger than normal. So to protect myself, my second trade, I went back to my normal position, and that way, in case it did go against me, it wouldn't damage my profits from the first trade, and then I can walk away.
Yes, great job. Good job. Nice work. SPY down here in this channel again, 644.28 to 643.86. See if we can get a nice move here. And yes, by the way, it is very hard for me to trade and while I'm training, in case you can't tell, because I'm talking and right, we're excitable and I'm trying to make sure you guys are entertained and educated. So yes, my trading will be absolutely 1,000,000% dog shit. right? But also
Well, and that's what I was
notice,
saying earlier.
yeah,
I was saying earlier that I do the one-on-ones to train, and I don't trade at all while we're doing that. I can
correct.
walk people through, this is what we look for typically,
Right.
but I'm concentrating on the training so that I don't have to worry about trading, and I've already made my money for the morning,
That's right.
so I can fully concentrate on I have to separate them. I don't know how the hell you do it, but I've seen you do it plenty of times. So it's difficult. Me just trying to concentrate on one thing at a time is pushing my little brain to the edge.
Yeah, it's not good. My trading 1,000,000 times over suffers for it. Like it's stupid. It's terrible. Yeah, but you guys all get to concentrate and do your thing. You guys are looking for one setup the whole day. You're like, coach said at this level, right? And then you guys are like, okay, now I got my level is right. I'm doing a million things. I'm looking at this. I'm looking at that. I'm charting it. I'm trying to train and educate you while we're doing it. I'm giving you these key critical areas, which I would just be trading against them and not talking about them and all the things. But here's where my competitors get to say they're better traders than me because they're not training you. They're not doing shit. Have you guys, by the way, has anybody in the room watched my competition? I have. It's got to be the worst fucking, excuse my language, most boring bullshit, dumbass dog shit I've ever seen in my life. Has anybody watched my competitors? It's terrible. Here, I'm going to give you a glimpse. Are you guys ready? Pay attention. Here it comes. This is what my competitors do the whole time. Ready?
Somebody poke him.
Is he breathing?
I'm dead
Thank you,
serious.
Coach. That was amazing.
I am dead.
Like, is
I
he
want
breathing,
you.
dude?
I am dead serious. Go and look at what's supposed to be my competition. All you will see every fucking time is this. Every time. They're doing absolutely nothing. Helping absolutely no one. Not talking about anything at all the whole day long. Why are you guys staring at these clowns? What are you doing? What? And my God, why are you giving them your money? What are you people doing? It drives me insane, right? Though I'm serious. Go out there. See what is out there. I dare you. Go look at my competition. I'm
Coach, the
telling
funny
you
thing is, I
within
know who you're talking about.
all of them. I'm telling you, everybody in the room, do it now, right? When you're done
I
today,
did it, Coach.
when you are
Let
done
me tell you.
today, I want everybody in the room to go stare at these clowns and go, what the F is this? What are you teaching them? Seriously, go do it.
Coach, take it from someone who tried it. There's a reason I'm back here.
Well, yeah, it's terrible. It's absolute dog shit. It's horrible. The only person that I have that's even close to competition, the one that got his ass sued off for about $2.4 million for SEC violations, the only one that's even close that you can watch trade for 30 minutes in the morning. You pay $10,000 a year and you can never ask him a question ever. As long as you live, you can never ask a fucking question. That you telling me that's my competition that you see on every Facebook ad everywhere? That's my competition? Fuck out of here. Gang, American Dream Trading is the only place to be, period, point blank. That is it. That is all. The proof is in the pudding. I don't know what you guys are doing. I don't know what you guys have been watching. You are in the right place at the right time. Appreciate you.
That's the coma club. This is the comma club.
All right.
That's
All right.
perfect.
We're trademarking the shit out of that.
I love that, Paul.
That is amazing.
That was awesome.
Put that on every bowling bag in the merch store. Do it now.
Damn, you're good.
That is beautiful. He is a genius. He is a genius. The Coma Club. We're the Comma Club. I love it. Right here, gang. Watch for the break and hold below 643. Now it's 80. 643.80. Okay, watch that key area.
Palm, I was telling him this morning in the pre-market, I loved your comment yesterday to that gentleman saying that it's easier to trim the branch than hope that it grows back.
Yes, right
That
here.
was deep.
Support right here. This is support.
Yeah,
Yep. And I'm
I'll
holding
pick
it
it up with
just
the brakes.
yeah, I'm holding it just for a second because I know it's been bouncing here. I'm
Yeah,
I'm
it might
just
break.
holding it for a second here.
It tested this little channel to the upside, so I
Yep.
went back and puts.
There we
And
go.
then now it's testing to the downside.
Yep, there we go. There we go. Massive area, gang. Oh, Billy. Oh, Billy. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Come on.
Woo!
Come on, doggy.
Oh my gosh. How many A+ setups do we have to give you in a single trading session?
That's a big gap to fill.
Oh my
Love it.
gosh.
What?
This is glorious. This is amazing. I'm sitting at that 643.83. If it breathes up there, I'm out. Otherwise, bye-bye. Bye. Don't care. Long hair don't care. Sit back, relax. Smoke them if you got them, Johnny.
Yep. Come on.
Oh my gosh, this is glorious. Look at it's funny. Apple's over here just flying. So here's what's awesome. I got people making all that money, hot stock picks. I got futures making ass loads of money over there right now. I got 2-minute EWOers crushing the market's soul on Apple 2-minute EWO. I got scalpers ripping the market's face off, right, on all these key major levels. I don't care. We show you everything, every way, how to do this every single day. Am I right? Every day. Every day.
100%, coach.
100%, coach.
Look at Apple. Apple just ripping.
Order filled.
Oh. Apple just getting it done. Getting it done. All right, we're still dancing. Remember, 643.83. By the way, I was talking the whole time and missed the whole candle return. Again, do you and I had to take, so I think I had a 400 win to a 40 loss. Do you guys understand, though, the difference between I don't really get to trade because I am training? Do you understand now? Right? Hopefully you understand. Okay, good, great. Because when it stalls, I always take it, which is right here. And this, I show you every time when it does that is a retracement candle, right? I teach you that every day, don't I? Off this bounce. This one. David, 2-minute EWOers, how we doing over there, partner?
Runners at 72%.
Once you guys get good enough at that, I told you, some of those runners will give you more than the meat and potatoes of the of your first shed, right? Oh my gosh. All right, let me look. By the way, if you guys want to sign up, go to americandreamtrading.com, get signed up right now. Let me see how many new paid members we have. There should be at least 20,000 new people here, minimum, for what we're doing. We have showed you, and I know for a fact we're well over $1 million in profit for our community alone. Let me see how many people have signed up today for one of our premium memberships for this $1 million+ 3 A+ setups, perfectly executed training days. Let me look. Hold on one second. $149 membership. Yay! Yay, that's awesome. So that means I'm going to kill the live. Everybody else, stick around. Okay, if you guys were watching on live, great. So real quick, thank you to Bruno, Don Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palmcoast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Jeffrey, Mountain Man, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and Juan. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day here. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Good enough. I'll take it. Thank it. I'll take it. That's
Hell
more
yeah.
like a foghorn. You got a fog, right? Got a tugboat.
I cannot bring the semi down the road.
Thank you. I
in our
appreciate you.
neighborhood.
Thank you. I appreciate
Can't blow the
you.
horn
Tommy
from
the Tommy the
turn.
truck. Appreciate you. Oh, is this gonna pull again? Watching this area. Anyways, thank you all for being here today. Thanks for the 80% scalp. There you go. Now, guess what? All you guys need to do is go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Get signed up. Again, $19 2-week trial. Come over, try us out. If you guys are interested in futures, you guys can go over to the future side. It's $49. That is, again, a 2-week trial. You will also get our Trading View indicators that you will find nowhere else on planet Earth. Apple, new high of day. Now, here's something that'll really rock you. Our A-plus setup today was below 645. We just continue to make lower lows, right? So if you've been hanging on this whole time, life is good. The upside was the break and hold above 645.50. We made money both ways today. Hopefully you guys made some money or you learned something. Apple 2-minute EWO. How much you up on that now, David? That thing just new high rocket ship.
Runners at 81%.
81%. That's amazing. So congratulations, everybody. I appreciate you. Again, AmericanDreamTrading.com. There's 300 members in my Zoom. Open up your mic. Did anybody make any money or did you learn anything today? Let me know. Let the world know.
Let's go.
Absolutely, yes, sir.
Yes.
Learning.
Sure did.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yep.
Thank you. Good job,
Hell
everybody.
yeah, you the man, coach.
Thank you.